guys, Nick motherfucking Deal back, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a what to expect in driving school video. Now this isn't the in-car lessons of what to expect. I'm going to make a separate video from that and your driver's tests and all of that. But I'm just going to give you some guidelines to what to expect, what to bring, just the materials you need, and stuff like that. I just want to point out that driving school is 4 hours long each session, so it would either be 6 classes that are up to 4 hours each, or 8 classes that are 3 hours each. It just depends on what driving school you're going to and where the state is and stuff like that. First thing I want to point out is you're allowed to miss up to 4 classes, but must make that up the ones that you missed. If you miss more than 4 classes, you have to start from scratch. So basically, you miss 5 classes, you're done, son. You have to restart all over from the fucking beginning. It's just how it works. Don't make the rules, so I'm sorry. Number 3, each day there will be a sign-in sheet. You sign your name, you print your name, and it just it's basically like an attendance sheet for the driving instructor to know who's there, who's missed, and if you're there for that day. That's basically all it is. Alright, so what to bring on your first day of driving classroom sessions? Well, one, you're going to need your permit, because they'll give you a sheet that you need to fill out information about, like your permit number, your ID, your name, when you're taking the session. I forget what it's called, but they'll give you a paper, you fill out a whole bunch of information. You will need to bring your tuition payments if you haven't paid in advance. You would need a pen or a pencil and a notebook to take notes, and expect to take notes on the first day. You'll be, starting videos, basically discussing. You still need to continue to bring your notebook each and every day for future classroom sessions. It's not just on the first day. You might not need to bring your permit, but I would keep bringing your permit just in case there's new sheets for information to fill out. The driving instructor in class will play multiple clips, some heartbreaking, some gory, bloody, some things that people don't want to see. The gore and blood really never bugged me. I don't know why. I never really had to cover my eyes that much. The blood on the street, stuff like that, it never really bugged me. I don't know why. One clip that did bug me, and I forget what her name was, but we watched basically a mother that lost her daughter due to a distracted driver that was texting, and that clip kind of affected me as far as depressing and sad. I thought I was actually going to break down in class, not even lying. I was just done, and I was going to break down in front of everybody. Somehow I held back my tears and I never broke down. There would be a 15 to 20 minute break after, let's say a couple hours of classroom session. You can go to a local store, gas station, get a snack. Some driving instructors, they will offer you snacks or already have it at the driving school. Definitely bring money. So if you want to eat there, that's fine too. If you just want to hang out for 15 minutes, that's fine as well. Expect there to be worksheets. They'll give you worksheets. You can work with a partner or yourself, I think. Some is required to be with a partner, but some of them you can work with yourself. Then he'll go over the answers. Then last but not least, at the end of driving classroom sessions, there will be a written test that you have to take and pass in order to start in-car lessons, as they call it, or however you guys like to say it. Anyway guys, I know I talked a little fast through it. If you guys have any questions, I can try to answer them down in the comments below. And that's just a general idea of what to expect, and basically just how it all breaks down. And I'm going to probably make a part 2 to this, but anyway guys, that'll do it for what to expect in the classroom sessions. But anyway guys, until next time, peace out.
Maybe